going to show you the Mangwon market. It's one of the biggest indoor market in Seoul. Here is Mangwon market. 안녕하세요. So they have kind of jellies. So this is not a dessert, it's kind of like side dishes. They have a black seed jelly, buckwheat, and acorn jelly too. And here also have a different kind of tofu. This one's are soft tofu, so normal white tofu, and black bean tofu. They also have a sample, so let's try some. I'm going to try acorn jelly. Dip it in this sauce. It's really good. It's really good with that sauce. And this is rice cake place. We have two different type of rice cake. One is a rice cake for meal, this one. We make some meal with that. We make some soup, tteokbokki, very popular Korea street food. And the others are all kind of dessert. This one is my favorite. This is also really good. They put some pumpkin. Many people like this one too. Our hand-cutting noodle place. And he just made a fresh noodle right there. 안녕하세요. Green onion, cucumber, radish, cabbage, kimchi. Also, they have a many different kind of side dishes back there. So this is how to make oil. So first roast these like that. You can see the machine back there. They press, roasted this, then you can get a fresh oil like this. Also sell oil like here. Soybean blood, we make a soy sauce with this bean blood. They have a many dried chili and they have a different kind of chilies here. So you can make your own chili powder right here. This is a salt for kimchi. We use this sea salt for salted cabbage. This place, it's called Basak Matcha, and they have a really good pork cutlet. It's really, really crispy. They have a many different kind of sauce too. Make a side dishes with this. And many different kind of mushrooms here. And also they have a different type of peppers. And this is spring greens. 족발, pork knuckle, and pork feet. They have some sashimi. It's a seasoned sashimi. 안녕하세요. Here's a trier sample. I'll try one. So you have to.
대박 개 맛있어.
맛있지? 홍어 다 좋아해?
매워. It's spicy for me, but it's really good. I always said this is spicy to my Korean friends, but he always said no, it's not spicy. But it's spicy for me. I'm going to try the 동동주. 맛있어요. It's really good. Korean fried chicken. They have a many different kind of flavor. Cheese one, teriyaki sauce, and spicy one, and soy sauce. It's so good. That's easy for strawberry in Korea. And also they have a really good tangerine. 제주도에서 온 거예요? Ah, he said it's from Jeju. Fresh seafood. 안녕하세요. 멍게 in Korean. Sashimi is here. And oysters here. Winter oyster is really, really good. It's so fresh.
이거 살아있어.
움직여.
되게
And
많습니다.
octopus.
네, 한 팩에 만 원이에요.
And squid. This is all traditional snacks. And you guys might never seen this one. That is how to make a snack. It's called 뻥튀기. That is a 뻥튀기. Wow, he gave free food. I love this pancake. 감사합니다. He gave free 뻥튀기 Korean snack. It's really good. Yum! It's my favorite winter snack. 안녕하세요. So it's flour dough outside, and inside they put a cinnamon powder and diced nuts, and he put the butter on that. And I'm going to get one. 하나만 주세요.
손님들 안 오세요?
I got a hot dog. It's a 1,000 won. It's really hot. So you can see it inside. They have a honey in here. It's really good. These are my favorite pictures. 안녕하세요.
네, 안녕하세요.
This is for 삼겹살. It's a pork belly. Korean people love this. And here they have a seasoned beef too. Cake. It's a buckwheat and tofu, and they put some pork in here too. Traditional Korean candies. Seaweed. This is really good with rice. The machine back there is how to make a seaweed. They put some oil and salt on seaweed. This place, they have a sundae and then all these fried things. This is tteokbokki, and every Korean girls love it. Rice cake with a chili paste sauce and some sugar. Also, they have a fish cake too. So today we visited Mangwon Market, and I highly recommend to visit this market to anyone who visits Korea. It's a really nice local market, and you can check like all the Korean vegetables, fruits, and you also can try many delicious Korean street food too. Hope you can try to visit Mangwon Market when you come to Korea, when you come to Seoul.